numerous eNodeB across the country. Is it possible to reduce maintenance costs and manage it more efficiently and economically? And if there is some problem like power failure, fire, water leak, and access control, can I know what happened immediately? It is possible if you're with Telecom Cube. Numerous eNodeBs are using the air conditioner for cooling all year round. This consumes a lot of electricity, which causes a lot of costs. What if it works only when needed through AI technology? Will the results be different? Due to the always-on air conditioner, the temperature in the room is kept lower than necessary. But if AI engine intervenes, it smartly controls the air conditioner to a set temperature standard. As a result, it can be reduced total electricity use by 50% or more. In terms of costs, it can be saved about $200 per month and $2,400 a year per one site. If there are 10,000 sites there, it could be saved $24 million. It is possible if you're with Telecom Cube. What if you can monitor all situations of the eNodeB with AI? If power is not supplied to a specific eNodeB, communication service will be stopped in this area. It creates a lot of claims and is also associated with decreased sales, so it needs to respond quickly. In the rainy season, a lot of rain can cause the site to leak or submerge. This is not a good sign for equipment, so fast detection is also required. If the angle of the antenna is changed due to strong wind or operator error, the service coverage is reduced. Therefore, it should be detected early and resolve the degradation of service quickly. If the eNodeB is ignited by strong sunlight, lightning, or arson, high-value equipment may be damaged and the fire may spread around. Therefore, it is necessary to detect this early to minimize the loss. Access control is very important because eNodeB is a security facility. Therefore, only authorized persons should enter, and access records must be recorded accurately and automatically. These events at each site can be centrally monitored in real time by Telecom Cube's AI solution. And if some issue is detected, the system finds out exactly what the issue is and where it occurs, and informs the administrator rapidly. Administrators can minimize losses through appropriate action within a short period of time. As a result, maintenance can be more efficient, which means lower overall costs. What is so important about this central control and monitoring system is the security of the system itself. Telecom Cube solutions include a robust security solution that completely blocks data tampering or intrusion. It is the same security system that has been proven by global top companies like Google or Amazon. So you don't have to worry about system security. Saving costs through energy saving, and providing stable operation environment through real-time monitoring all over the country with global top-level system security. It is possible if you're with Telecom Cube.